I suspect that Jim and Lois entered into a conspiracy to have me skip, so now I'm taking my turn now.
You're gonna take off 3 turns, right?
You understand that, Skip? Is it number 1?
Somebody wants it. There's stands on the corner with the barrel straight. I looked out the window and over the gate. The big fat rabbits are jumping in the grass. Wait till they hear my old shotgun blast. Shotgun boogie. Done saw your track. Look out, Mr. Rabbit, when I cock my hammer back. Well, over on the ridge is a Stanley Park. Kicking up so big you can see them in the dark. The big fat squirrels are scratching and fight. I'll be on that ridge before daylight. Shotgun boogie. All I need is one shot. Look out, push the test tonight, you'll be in the fire. She was tall and thick. I asked her what she had, and she said a March 410. I looked her up and down and said, boy, this is love. So we headed for the first two with a big fat dove. Shotgun boogie. Look out, Mr. Dunn, when she draws a beat on you. I sat down on a log, took her on my lap. She said, wait a minute, bud, you gotta see my pap. He's got a 16 gauge choke down like a rifle. He don't like a man that's gonna trifle. Shotgun boogie. Draw the beat so fine. Look out, big boy, he's loaded all the time. He said no brush hunter's gonna get my daughter. He cocked back his hammer right on the spot. When the gun run off around, run the shot. Shotgun boogie. Over with the bells. Be back, little gal, when your pappy runs out of shells.
Hey, Neal, is that as low as you can go?
Just about. Well, maybe after I've had a drink or two, I can get a little over there.
You probably get too low. He gets so low he couldn't get up. I'm fixing me a thing so I can bring it next time. I said you get so low you couldn't get up.
Yeah, maybe.